Hey everyone, I am launching this cybersecurity course and in this video we are getting full detailed review about cybersecurity roadmap. I divided this full course into 11 phases so we can learn easily. Let's see the phases one by one. The first phase, in the first phase we have to learn computer and IT fundamentals. In second phase, programming and scripting. Third one, cybersecurity fundamentals. Fourth one, Linux and Windows security. I especially recommend Linux operating system for this course. In fifth phase, network security. In sixth phase, ethical hacking. We have to become legal, that is white hat hackers. In seventh phase, defense security, blue team. In eighth phase, advanced cyber security. In ninth phase, specialization. In tenth phase, certification. We have to prove yourself in this tenth phase. In 11th phase, practice and project. We have to do projects so we can learn from it. So if you are new in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.